Okay, what is 4 threes are, students? 4 threes are 12. Next, which formula do I use? A plus b the whole square or a minus? A plus b the whole square. So I'll write it directly. Root 2 the a square, b square plus 2 into a into b. Okay, what's the answer when I open the bracket? What this root will get cancelled. 4 plus 3 square is 9 plus multiply the like term, students. 2 threes are 6 root 2. One more thing, you can't add 6 root 2 with others. Only 4 and 9. You can add 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9, 13 plus 6 root 2. Is it correct? Okay, Alia, right? Got it right? Check this, students. If it is wrong, this is how you are supposed to solve. Next, multiplication is given. Multiplication. One 11. No, no. 2 square. Square root gets cancelled, right? What is 3 square? No. No, your answer is right. Your answer is right, Alia. I made a mistake. After root gets cancelled, I've taken 4 square. It should be only 2, right? Andrea, and you didn't check this? Fourth one. Okay, third one, I made a mistake now. It was 2 plus 9. 11 plus 6 root 2 is the answer. Look at the question, students. I've rearranged the questions. Fifth one. Now I'm going to do the fifth one. Look at your fifth answer. 6 root 5 into 3 root 2. When there is multiplication, you can multiply 6 threes. How much is 6 threes are? 5 twos are 10. You can write 18 root 10 is the answer. Next one. Second question. Check the second question. There are three values. So the power 2 should get multiplied with all. 5 square into root 3 the whole square divided by 2 square. How much is 5 square, students? So root and 3 gets cancelled. 3 divided by how much is 2 square? Very. You can't reduce anything. 25 into 3, 75 divided by 4. If you want to convert into mixed fraction or decimal, anything. Or you can just leave it like this. Okay, even 75 by 4 is also correct. Done? Shall I erase all this? Yeah, next. This question. A plus B or A minus B? A minus B the whole square. Yes, A minus B the whole square. A square. Remember the formula for A plus minus the A square plus B square minus 2AB. So A square root 5 the whole square minus 2 into root 2 into 3 root 5. So 3 square is 9 plus 5 as it is. Roots, only the roots will get cancelled. Minus 3 twos are 6 root 5. What's the answer? 14 minus 6 root 5 is the answer. Last one. Are they like terms or unlike terms, students? Minus is given. If minus is given, check the root value. Both are same. Yeah, just ignore the root. Take the numbers, coefficient. 6 minus 18. How much is 6 minus 18? Very good. Minus 12 and 8 is not just 12. Which is greater? 18 is greater? Minus 12 root 5. Just take root 5 common, students. Keep it aside. 6 minus 18 is minus 12. So minus 12 root 5 is the answer. Okay, next question. Look, all these questions are there in your textbook. I'm just solving all relevant questions. Next one, even this is there in your textbook. Question number 6. Prove each of the following numbers are rational. Prove each of the following numbers is rational. Sorry, irrational. You have to prove that they are irrational, students. It's a proving question. You'll get one question for 3 marks. So the first question is root 3 plus root 2. You have to prove that is irrational. Do you think this is rational or irrational? Root 3 and root 2. Irrational. Why irrational? Very good. Correct. It's not a perfect square. It's irrational. But we need to prove, students. You can't just write it's not a perfect square. We need to prove. So whenever they ask you a proving question, if it is just MCQ question, you can write it is not a perfect square. Okay, you can just write irrational. But when they ask us to prove, you're supposed to write it like this. Root 3 plus root 2, you have to take it as x. Okay, then we need to square both the sides. We need to square on both the sides like this. I'll keep x square as it is. Which formula can I apply on the left hand side? Yes, a plus b the whole square. Try this, students. Apply a plus b the whole square. Okay, let me explain. Don't write. Let me explain. Root 3 plus root 2 the whole square plus root 3 into root 2 is equal to x square as it is. We have 3 plus 2, 5. I'll write it directly. 3 plus 2, 5. 2 into root 3 into 2 is how much is 2 into 3? 6. We get the value like this. Next, keep the root value as it is. Bring this 5 to the other side. Whichever doesn't have root, shift it to the other side. So 2 root 6 is equals to x to the power of 2, x square minus 5. Keep the root as it is. Divide this x square minus 5 divided by 2. Yes, Anna, why are you late, Anna? Network issues. Okay, continue from this question, Anna. Where's your homework? I've given 6 questions. Okay, send it later, Anna. Look at this. What have I written here? Read the question. Okay. Do you think root 3 and root plus root 2 is rational or irrational? Why? What's the reason? Very good. Then, okay, all three have answered correct. Not a perfect square. Then, how do you solve this? You have to take x. This value, you have to take right hand side, let it be x. Can you see it as x? Okay, I forgot one statement, students. Right is equal to x and right square on both the sides. Square on both sides. Good, you all are answering. Yesterday you all didn't answer. Today you all are answering. Complete it till here. I'll tell you after what to solve after this. This is one of the important questions, proving question. After this, it's a simple rule. Next step is very easy. Anna, did you go to school today? Why, Anna, no school? Got your books? You should have told me. Right? Okay, nobody got math? Okay, fine, student. Good. Okay. What are the publications, students? Did they change to Selena? Fine. Selena is fine. It will be easy. Okay, let me know. As soon as you'll get maths, let me know. Fine. What did I do here? What is our ultimate thing we have to do? Can you see root 6 is irrational number? We have kept it on the left hand side. Apart from that, all the other numbers we have moved on the right hand side. Completed. Write it till here and let me know, students. Completed. Okay, I'll teach all one logic here. Look here. What is root 13, students? What is root 13? Rational or irrational? Irrational. But if I take, let this be x. X is equals to root 13. If I square x here, even root 13 should be squared. Both the sides you have to square. Now if I square root 13, actually x is irrational number. X is irrational. But if I square on both the sides, now what does it become? Now what's the answer? What is 13? Rational or irrational? No, no, 13. Is 13 irrational? The rational number. It's a whole number. Yeah, whole number, natural number. 13 is rational. Can you see we converted from irrational to rational? How do you convert from irrational to rational, students? How do you convert it? All you have to do is we need to, what did I do? We need to square them. So x was irrational. What about x square? X square is rational. Now tell me, what about this x square? Will it be rational or irrational? Anything which has square, it is considered to be rational. Is it clear? Remember this concept. The only way we can convert an irrational number to rational is by squaring it, students. Only if you square, you can convert it. So therefore, after this, below this, you write the statement x square. You have to write it separately. X square is rational. Remember the degree is 2. Whenever the degree is 2, it is a rational number. Degree. For example, if I take 2 root 15, this entire thing is a irrational number. But if I square it, what am I getting? How do I write this? 2 square into root 15 the whole square. How much is 2 square? 4. 4 into 15. What's the answer? 60. So as soon as I squared it, can you see we are getting a rational number? 60 is a rational, right? So you're supposed to write x square is rational, right hand side. X square minus 5 is rational, okay? And x square minus 5 divided by 2. Look at the way I've written. All three separately. X square is rational. Then include x square minus 5 is rational. X square minus 5 by 2 is also rational. Is a rational number. Do you think left hand side is equals to right hand side? What is root 6? Rational or irrational? Irrational. Right hand side, all three are rational numbers. Right hand side, all three are rational. Do you think left hand side is equal to right hand side? Are they equal? No. This is the statement you have to write in terms of words. This is the statement. Look at the way I'm writing. Right hand side, I've written everything. But left hand side, you should write like this. But root 6 is irrational. Root 6 is irrational. What's the reason, students? All of you told me in the beginning. Why root 6 is irrational? Perfect square. That's it. Because it is not a perfect square. This is a 3-marker question. So when they ask us to prove, this is how we are supposed to do. You take x on the right hand side, square both the sides, open the bracket, apply a plus b the whole square, a minus b the whole square. Because it is not a perfect square. Not a perfect square number. Therefore, root 3 plus root 2 is a irrational number. Look, I've taken the main question. Root 3 plus root 2 is irrational number. Is it clear? All of you understood how to write it? Step by step? Yeah, go through first, write it, students. First go through, then you'll copy. If you have done, let me know. I'll give you all one question. You try that question. Just a minute. This is given as question 6 in your textbook. It would be question 6. Students done? Okay. So again, I'll explain once again. Whenever they ask us to prove, Alia, any doubts? Anna, Alia, fine. Before this, whatever we solved, everything, even this is easy, students. Only thing you should know the steps. Prove each of the following numbers is irrational. So take it as x is equal to x. Square on both the sides. When you square, left hand side, check what is given. Whether it is a plus b or a minus b. If a minus b is given, use a minus b the whole square. Square it. Shift all the numbers and keep only the irrational number on the left hand side. First step. Second step. On the right hand side, everything will be rational. Right hand side. But root 6 is irrational. Write the statement. Okay, try one question. This question is the second part. Second question given. Let me check. Second question is you have to prove root 3 minus 2 is an irrational number. So what's the first step, students? Tell me the first step. You have to take this as what? All of you respond. This is the question. This is the question. You have to prove it is irrational number. It is rational or irrational? 3 root irrational. First thing, right? Let 3 minus root 2 is equal to x. Then square on both the sides. Square on both the sides. What? Which formula can I use? A plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square? A minus b the whole square. All of you were there when I did a plus b the whole square, a minus b the whole square day before yesterday. All that I have completed. Okay. Why Alia? But you don't know a plus b into a minus b? Okay, try. I'll teach later. Completed students. You try doing this entire question. Is students done? Completed? All three of you are done? See, it shouldn't take more than 2 minutes, maximum 2 minutes. Shall I solve it? Okay, what is a minus b the whole square here? Alia answer. Alia and Anna. A square. What's the formula, students? A square b square minus 2 into a square plus b square minus 2 into ab. Yes, a square plus b square minus 2ab is the formula. See, that is what I've written. Now tell me the value, students. 9 plus root and root gets cancelled. 2. 3 twos are 6 root 2 is equals to x square. 9 plus 2 is 11 minus 6 root 2 is equals to how much? X square. Shift minus 11 to the other side. Keep minus like this, students. What's the value of x square minus 11? Next, tell me the next step. Which one I have to shift? Minus 6 is given, right? Can I shift minus 6 below? Yes. Keep root 2 as it is, students. Or you can even do it like this. Keep minus root 2 as it is. Left hand side, what do you get? X square minus 11 divided by. See, I told you all, what is root 2? Rational or irrational? Irrational. What is minus root 2? Minus root 2 is also irrational. Okay, minus root 2 is also irrational. You can solve it like this. You can solve, or you can shift that minus to the other side. I'll show you. You can write it like this, students. From here, you can write the statement. X square is rational, minus 11 and 6, everything is rational. Root 2 is irrational. Or we'll do one thing, shift this minus to the other side. If we shift, it becomes like this. And when you open the bracket, what do you get? Which is positive, students. Open this bracket. Minus will, minus you have to multiply in the numerator. What do you get? If you multiply minus into plus x square, how much is minus into plus x square? Minus x square. What is minus into minus? Plus 11 divided by 6. And if you rearrange this equation, you'll get root 2 is equals to, keep the positive number first, 11 minus x square divided by 6. You have to do it like this. The only thing is minus I shifted to the other side. Minus went to, it's being shifted to the other side. Make a note. After this, everything is the same. After this, you can write 11 is a rational number. Is a rational number. X square is a rational number. Okay, 11 minus x square divided by 6 is a rational number. Right hand side, everything is rational. But, right, but root 2 is is an irrational number. Is not a perfect square. But root 2 is not a perfect square number. Therefore, it is irrational. Therefore, it is irrational. Then copy the entire question, students. Entire question. 3 minus root 2 is irrational number. Is this clear? All of you understood? Okay, make a note. If anything is wrong, just change it. For other two questions. That's it. Only two questions. Yes, Alia. You can leave, Alia. As Alia, just a minute. Yeah. Okay, completed. Others done. Anna and Andrea. Tomorrow, do you allow school or holiday, students? Holiday. Okay, I'll be completing. I'll be conducting class in the morning. Tomorrow, your class will be at 11 o'clock. Clear? 11 to 12. I'll make you all revise whatever we studied tomorrow revision. I will conduct a test in the evening. I'll send the test paper. You have to complete and send it. Okay. Done with this. Shall we do the next one? Fine. There is one question. Question number 7. Question number 7. Write a pair. Write a pair of irrational number whose write a pair of irrational number whose sum is irrational. See, they don't give us any value, students. You can take your own values and do it. Write a pair of irrational number whose sum is irrational. What do you mean by this? Write a pair of irrational number. Tell me any irrational number. Give me an example for irrational number. All of you respond. Root any value. Okay, root 3. Sum is given. For sum, what do you do? Add or subtract? See, let me take this. Root 3 will take one irrational. Along with that, I'll take one rational number. This is first number. Second number. Let let numbers be. You're supposed to write the answer like this. Answer is let let two numbers be root 3 plus 5, and the second number you can take it as different number, but if you add it should be irrational. Root 3 plus 5, I'll take root 5 minus. Yes. See, one irrational, one rational I've taken, right? These are the two numbers I've taken. What they've asked is to whose sum is irrational. If it is sum, what do you mean by sum? Add, subtract, multiply, or divide. Add. We'll take both the numbers, root 3 plus 5, and have to add it, plus root 5 minus 2. If I open the bracket, root 3 plus 5 plus root 5 plus into minus is minus 2. Can we add anything? Add or subtract? Which can be added, students? Root 3 you can't add, root 5 also you can't add. You have to keep as it is. What is 5 minus 2? 5 minus 2 is plus. This entire number is rational or irrational? Irrational. This is how you prove it. Make a note. Let the first number, second number, you take your own value. I have taken root 3 plus 5, root 5 minus 2. Then question 8 is similar to this. Everything is same. Write a pair of irrational number. Everything is same. Whose difference is irrational. Whose difference is irrational. First complete this, students. Instead of some difference. See, these type of question, there are no restriction. You can take whatever numbers you all want. But you should know the logic. Done. What about Anna completed? Read the next one, students. What is the difference between question 7 and 8? Can you tell me? Yes. And the sum should be what? And the sum should be rational. What do you mean by rational? It shouldn't have any non-perfect square, right? Yes. Non-perfect squares. I mean imperfect square numbers. Now look here. Use the same concept. Let two numbers be. You can take the numbers as you wish. Now I'll tell you the logic here. Root 3 plus 5, students. Root 3 plus 5. Next number, what shall I take? So that if I subtract this, root 3 will get subtracted. Can I take same root 3? Respond. 3 minus 2. Now I'll tell you the reason why I took root 3. In the first question, look here, I didn't take root 3. Did I take root 3 for same or did I take root 3 and root 5? Root. Yes, root 3 and root 5. If not, you do one thing. We could have even taken this as root 3, students. Root 3. Okay. If I take root 3, what would have been the answer? Respond. What would have been the answer, students? Tell me. Root 3. If I open the bracket, what are like terms here? What is root 3 into root 3? When you add, what you get? Yesterday I taught you all. For like terms, how many root 3's are there? 1 or 2? 2 root 3. So the answer will be 2 root 3 minus 2. Still it is a irrational number, right? It is still a irrational number. Okay, next. Here, look at, I have taken root 3. The only reason I have taken equal is I have to subtract them. Now, I have to subtract root 3 plus 5 minus, keep this in bracket, first step. Second step, root 3 plus 5, open the bracket. What do you all get, students, when you open the bracket? Minus root 3, what is minus into minus? Plus 2. Now, which one gets cancelled? Very good, root 3 and root 3. What is 5 plus 2? 7. Can you see we made the irrational number as rational? First it was irrational, now we made it rational. Is it clear? No, I made a mistake. Sum or subtraction, addition or subtraction. Sorry, it was a mistake. Write a pair of irrational number whose sum is rational, students. So what do you do? Add or subtract? Sum meaning. Sum meaning is we need to add. So what you do? Take 2 minus root 3. Change the question like this. The reason is if I write it like this. Now open the bracket. What do you get? Plus 2. What is plus into minus? Minus root 3. Do they get cancelled? Plus and minus root 3. 5 plus 2, 7. Look at the way I've written, students. I took one positive value and one negative value so that it gets cancelled out when we add it. Completed. This is how we are supposed to do. So both the questions, what was the question given today? We need to add or subtract both the questions. Was it addition or subtraction? Addition. Completed. So there are 6 more questions. You'll have 2 subtraction question, 2 division question, 2 multiplication. We'll do it tomorrow. Done? So these type of question, it depends on us. We need to take the value as per the question and solve it. Anna completed. Okay, Andrea, done. Look, I'll tell you all a difference, students. Try it for homework. For what if it is difference? Subtraction. If not, we'll do it tomorrow. We'll continue tomorrow. So today we solved these two, sum. Where the questions are not given, we take our own values and we solve it. Go through that for homework. Next, we solve two proving questions. We need to prove why they are irrational. I mean, how they are irrational. So take X. This is one question and this is one proving question. Then before that, there were 6 homework questions. Okay, I solved all those 6 homework questions. Then these 4 questions. Fine, enough for today. And tomorrow at what time you'll have to log in? What time you'll have to attend?